Picture this. You just got your first real paycheck. Maybe it's from your first job out of college, your new full-time gig, or that side hustle that finally started paying off. You feel good. You feel like an adult. And then someone asks you, "So what are you doing with your money?" And you just smile and change the subject. Nobody taught you this stuff in school. No class, no lecture, no worksheet covered what to actually do with your money when real life starts. And honestly, that's not your fault. But here's the uncomfortable truth. You're probably already making at least one of these mistakes right now, maybe more. And the scary part isn't that you're making them. The scary part is that most people don't figure it out until their 30s, when fixing them costs twice as much time and twice as much money. Today, we're breaking down 5 money mistakes most people in their 20s don't even realize they're making, and exactly what to do about each one. Let's get into it. Your 20s are not just another decade. They are the most financially consequential decade of your entire life. The habits you build right now, the accounts you open or don't open, the decisions you make or keep putting off, they compound, just like interest. Do the right things early, and your future self will thank you. Do nothing, and your future self will be paying for it. Let's make sure you're on the right side of that equation. Mistake number 1, not investing early. This one doesn't feel urgent when you're 22. And that's exactly what makes it the most dangerous mistake on this list. Let me tell you about 2 people, Marcus and Derek. They're both 22 years old. Marcus decides to start investing $200 a month into a simple index fund. Derek figures he'll start later, once he's earning more. Same age, same starting point, different decision. Fast forward to age 32. Derek finally starts investing. Same $200 a month, same investments. By the time they both hit 62, Marcus has around $525,000. Derek, around $260,000. Same monthly contribution, almost double the outcome. The only difference was 10 years. That gap isn't magic, it's compound interest. Your money earns returns, and then those returns earn returns, and it keeps stacking on itself year after year. The longer your money has to grow, the more dramatic the result. Here's the fix. You don't need a lot of money to start. Many apps let you begin with as little as $5 or $10. Open an account, set up an automatic monthly contribution, even a small one, and let time do the heavy lifting. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Mistake number 2, lifestyle inflation. And this one is sneaky because it feels like a reward. You land a better job, your paycheck goes up by $500 a month, so you upgrade your apartment. You eat out more, you buy the nicer version of everything, because hey, you earned it. And suddenly, that $500 raise has completely disappeared into your monthly spending without a single dollar going toward your future. That is lifestyle inflation, and it is one of the fastest ways to stay broke, even while earning good money. The fix is something called paying yourself first. Before you spend a single dollar of a raise or a new income boost, decide what percentage goes straight to savings or investments. Even 20 to 30% of every raise, automatically redirected before you can touch it, changes everything. You can still enjoy your money. Just make sure your future self gets a cut first. If you're finding this helpful so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button and subscribe. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need to hear this stuff. And trust me, you want to stick around for mistakes 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let's keep going. Mistake number 3, not building an emergency fund. And before you say it, yes, I know, you'll save more when you earn more. That's what everyone tells themselves, and it's exactly why most people are one bad month away from a financial crisis. Here's the reality. 60% of Americans can't cover an unexpected $1,000 expense without going into debt. Think about that. One car repair, one medical bill, 1 month of lost income. And suddenly credit cards get maxed out, savings disappear, and the financial stress spills into every other area of your life. An emergency fund is not an investment. It's not supposed to grow. It's insurance. The rule of thumb is 3 to 6 months of living expenses, sitting in a basic high-yield savings account that you do not touch unless something genuinely goes wrong. Here's the thing. Start small. Even $500 in a dedicated emergency account creates a buffer between you and disaster. Set up a separate account so the money feels mentally off limits. Automate a small weekly or monthly transfer into it, and don't touch it. Build the habit first. The balance will grow.
Mistake number 4, misusing credit cards. And this one goes both ways, because credit cards are not the enemy, they're a tool. And like any tool, the result depends entirely on how you use it. Meet Jake. He got his first credit card at 21 and treated it like free money. Dinner out, new clothes, concert tickets. He told himself he'd pay it off next month. He didn't. The balance grew, the interest kicked in, and by 24, Jake had $6,000 in credit card debt at 22% interest, costing him over $100 every single month just in interest payments. Now flip that. His roommate Lisa got the same card. She used it for her regular monthly expenses, set up automatic full payments every month, and earned cashback rewards on top. Same card, completely different outcome. Lisa built a strong credit score, paid 0 interest, and actually made money using the card. Here's the fix. Use your credit card like a debit card. Only spend what you already have in your bank account. Set up automatic full balance payments so you never pay interest. And check your credit score regularly. A strong credit score saves you tens of thousands of dollars in lower interest rates when you eventually borrow for a car or a home. Mistake number 5, not having any financial plan at all. And this is the one that quietly makes all the other mistakes worse. Most people in their 20s treat money reactively. They earn it, they spend it, they check the account when they're nervous, and they figure they'll get serious about it eventually. Eventually is doing a lot of heavy lifting in that sentence, because eventually usually means never. Here's what's really happening. Every month without a plan is a month where your money is making decisions for you, and money without direction always flows toward the path of least resistance, which is spending. A financial plan doesn't have to be complicated. It's just 3 things. Know what's coming in, know what's going out, and decide on purpose what you're doing with the difference. That's it. You can use an app, a spreadsheet, or even a piece of paper. The format doesn't matter, the intention does. Your future self is watching every financial decision you make right now, not to judge you, just to receive the results of them. Give that person something good to work with. So there you have it. 5 money mistakes most people in their 20s are making right now. Let's do a quick recap. Mistake 1, not starting to invest early. Time is the most powerful force in investing. Use it. Mistake 2, lifestyle inflation. Every raise is an opportunity to build wealth, not just upgrade your lifestyle. Mistake 3, no emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses in a separate account protects everything else you're building. Mistake 4, misusing credit cards. Use them strategically, pay them in full, and let them work for you instead of against you. And mistake 5, no financial plan. Money without direction becomes money without a future. Here are 3 things you can do right now. Open an investment account today, even with $10. Create one separate savings account labeled emergency fund only, and write down your 3 biggest monthly expenses. Just awareness changes behavior. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos that break down financial concepts in plain language. Drop a comment and tell me which of these 5 mistakes hit closest to home. And if you want to go deeper on renting versus buying a home, I made a full video on exactly how it works and which one might be right for you. Click the video popping up on your screen and I'll see you there.